Hey, happy holidays everybody. Happy New Year 2022 now. Anyway, the boat's in storage right now and I'm down in Florida enjoying my winter. So anyway, had a good Christmas. I got a great Christmas present from my mother. I'll give her a little plug here. But she bought me this t-shirt I really like. And it says, sorry for what I said while docking the boat. How true is that, right? Usually when I'm docking the boat and I have guests on board, it's sit down and shut up, you know. I want to concentrate and I don't want no distractions on the dock, you know, while I'm coming in. Another good tip you want to know is I also make everybody call me Captain Ian while the boat's on the way. Why do I do that? It's not because of my ego, but more or less like I get respect that way and I'm responsible for everybody's safety. So when everybody's calling me Captain Ian, because I make them call me that, and when I say, hey, I need you to sit down, or I need you to do this or do that, they're a little more prone to listen to me. And I only do this when necessary, when I need something, you know, task done or something for safety. You know, I don't want nobody jumping around, running around on the boat. Everybody needs to sit down while the boat's on the way, or at least be holding on to something. So that's what I do. Anyway, yeah, I did have a good Christmas and holidays, and 21's over with now, so Happy New Year again. And I decided to recap this video. We got a video. I got Molly, my boat cat, she's over there playing with her toy. You might hear a little bell. But anyway, I'm going to recap this video from Memorial Weekend. We went over to Put-in-Bay. Every Memorial Weekend, I take my mom over to South Bass Island. I'll show you a little map of that. It's right here. Anyway, that particular weekend, we got there like on a Thursday afternoon, and Thursday night, the northern winds started up, blowing from the north. And the water kept rising up. The storm. We were actually stuck on the boat a day and a half. But this video is like the day after, the next day, where the wind is blowing in all day, the following day. And the water was up about 3 feet. It got knee deep when I went outside. And I had to go outside to it, because since the water was rising, so was the boat. And when the boat was rising, the dock lines got real tight. And I've actually broke a dock line while I was there and had to replace that. But on the video, you'll see me letting the dock lines out. And then also one of the other people that were staying at Miller's Marina that weekend also was helping me pick up some debris. That weekend they had docks falling apart out front, which smart idea is Jim there, the dock master, he got all the boats off those docks the night before and put them in the back. And those docks that were out there, they just all come apart. And they got to work, you know, as soon as the weather broke, and I even helped out a little bit. We got some of those docks back together. There was a lot of debris floating around, flower pots, reseen, all kinds of good stuff. But anyway, I'm going to show you this video, and I'm going to recap it. This was posted on my private channel, and I'm going to bring it over to Boating with Drifter today with a little bit of this narrating. And I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to play the intro first and then on with the video. Alright, bad storm, water's deep.
You got your camera up there?
Yeah, that's what that is.
Hey, be careful. The thing will knock you over. Everything is floating around. Yeah, all those docks are just buckling.
Okay, getting ready to try to head outside.
gotta get my front line too, and I can't reach that. This one could go a little bit loose right here. A little, I don't know. Yeah. Pretty tight. Yeah. I don't know what to do with it. Yeah. You can't even see where you're stepping, you know? Yeah, this is bad. I got my GoPro on.
Get in the boat, it's warm.
I'd like to get this line loosened up in front of mine, but I don't really have a way to get to it. It's the same with you. You got it, you know, wrapped around, tied. It did the same thing. Now I can't get at it. Well, it's hard to get around that canvas. You know? Yeah, that's doing okay. Well, it's a little tight, but it's still bouncing a little. I know, this is gonna snap. I need some edge protection on this, you know?